until 8:15 p.m. At 7:29 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Laconia to Loudon to Goffstown, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar. National Weather Service in Gray Lane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Rockingham County in southern New Hampshire, Stafford County in central New Hampshire, southeastern Grafton County in northern New Hampshire, Belknap County in central New Hampshire, eastern Merrimack County in central New Hampshire, southern Carroll County in northern New Hampshire, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:29 p.m., severe thunderstorm. Interstate 93 between mile markers 29 and 75. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning. Siding, entries. Locations and tactics include Concord, Rochester, Laconia, Franklin, Moulton Borough, Ossipee, Meredith, Northwood, Hooksett, Barrington, Farmington, Lebanon, Loudon, Alton, Barnstead, Epsom, Gilmanton, Canterbury, Holderness, and Axland. This includes the following highways: Interstate 89 between mile markers 0 and 3, Interstate 93 between mile markers 29 and 75. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire: Belknap, Carroll, Grafton, Merrimack, Rockingham, and Trafford.
Double header. Oh, lovely static.
The National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lamoille County in northwestern Vermont, northern Caledonia County in northeastern Vermont, western Orleans County in northeastern Vermont, east central Franklin County in northwestern Vermont, until 8 p.m. At 7:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Eden Mills, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations and tactics include Harrisburg, Eden, Westfield, Glover, Albany, Barton, Barton Village, Albany Village, Lowell, Craftsbury, Walcott, Jay, Troy, Belvedere, Pine Park, Montgomery, Greensboro, Newport Town, West Glover, and South Albany. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties: Caledonia, Vermont. The 7 p.m. weather observation